Welcome to Chef LeBron. Today we're going to do part 3, the grand finale of our romantic dinner. In parts 1 and 2 we did a salad and lobster mac and cheese, but you know a great meal needs a great cocktail to go along with it. So we're going to make margaritas today, and I have a famous margarita recipe for my family, and that's what we're going to do today. Let's begin. We're going to start the recipe by making some simple syrup. I have a cup of water, a cup of white sugar. We're going to put this to medium heat, and we're going to wait for it to just dissolve. And once it dissolves, we're taking it straight off the heat. The sugar has dissolved, and I'm going to take it off the heat so that we get it as cool as possible for our margarita. This is 5 limes, and I'm going to freshly squeeze them, and I'm going to use a fork because that's always the easiest for me. This tequila is 100% blue agave. Usually the only thing that I will buy is a tequila that says 100% agave. So we have 2 cups filled with ice, and we're gonna start off by putting in 4 tablespoons of the syrup into each cup, 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Some recipes will call for triple sec, but we do not use triple sec in this house. And in each of these, I'm gonna add half a cup of tequila. A pro tip is to store your tequila in the freezer so it's nice and cold. Give it a stir. You can also shake it, but for ease, I'm going to stir it. I think all that's left is to taste.
Cheers for the romantic evening.
Cheers. Yeah. You can feel the tequila in this margarita. You do have the sweetness and the acidity in it, so it's a very well balanced margarita.
Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.